over 100 acres of lush lifestyle land. You're gonna absolutely love what 143 Polka Road in Byfield has to offer. Capturing panoramic views of Castle Rock and the Byfield Ranges, I cannot think of a more tranquil place to enjoy a glass of wine in the afternoon. And if the stunning outlook and beautiful parcel of land weren't enough, you're gonna love this beautifully presented and modernised abode, perfect for those looking to live off-grid. Looking for a lifestyle change, astute investment, or a special place to escape to on the weekends, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.